try to talk, speak in English. It is very difficult to speak anything when a man talk to others people. Maximum people cannot speak. Many people when speak in English or Bengali, they don't know how to speak because this was very nervousness system in this moment. Actually, I am very proud of my child and my students. They are quietly and properly to speak in English myself. I also appreciated all of you. It is easy to say but difficult to perform. Thank you. I hope the next time you will be try to best, and my honorable parents, I also appreciated you too, your cordial cooperation and compromise, sacrifice in this class and to join the class. I am very appreciated you and thank you. For the next time, it will be great achievement to us. Thank you very much. Again, thank you my child. I pray for you. Inshallah, I will see you soon and immediately. Assalamu alaikum.